Here is the recipe I used today. It's a gorgeous fall morning, which puts me in the mood for some festive fall coffee, so I'm making some flavored vegan coffee creamer. While the coffee brews, here's a black hole for you to throw all your pumpkin spice hatred into.
Pumpkin spice is the worst. Wham!
Got it out of your system? Great. I don't care how you flavor it, the base is the same. Boil some water and pour it over 1 cup of raw cashews. Let them soak for 15 minutes. When they're done soaking, strain and rinse them well and add them to your blender. Add 1 to 1.5 cups of non-dairy milk. The less milk, the thicker the cream will be. My sweet spot is 1 1/3 cup. I only had 1 cup of almond milk left, so I made up the other third of a cup with water. For plain coffee creamer, you'd stop right here, but we're going for flavor country. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 heaping teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I like extra cinnamon, so I'm just tossing some extra in there. That was probably about half a teaspoon. A good pinch of salt to make the flavor pop, but that's optional. Pop it on the blender and slowly increase to full speed, then let it run for about 1 minute to make sure you're really liquefying the cashews. After a minute, check the flavor and make any adjustments. I decided I wanted mine a little sweeter, so I added some homemade stevia extract. Of course I grow my own stevia. Then blend it for another 30 seconds. You can check the flavor and blend again as many times as you need to until you nail it. You can use this creamer in both hot or cold coffee or tea. It may look like it separates a bit when you pour it in, but just give it a stir. Oh my god, that's so good. Store it in any kind of airtight container and keep it in the fridge for a week to 10 days.
That's gross. I love it.
Subscribe.